Hi, I'm Deb Schmucker. I'm a factory representative for the Luxe Fifth Wheels and Toy Haulers. And today we wanted to show you the 38 GFB. I know a lot of you have seen the golds online, a lot of you have purchased golds, but we debuted a new version of the golds at Hershey. And so I wanted to show you some of the unique things on this particular version of a Luxe Gold. One is that you'll notice the slide is taller. And that is because it now has an elite height slide in it, so it does not have attic storage. I'll show you that when we go inside. This one also has an elite paint job, so it has the 3-color paint, which you can upgrade any coach to any paint that you want to. This one is with the colors actually that we used at that Hershey show. This is a client that's going to be coming in the next few weeks to pick this up, but we wanted you to see it. It also has the window silks. So a lot of people want to see the window silks on. They usually don't go on until just before it's delivered, so we wanted you to be able to see that too. Window silks will cut out another 50% of the UV rays going into your coach. It also gives you that kind of flawless look, like there are no windows on the coach, and it gives you more privacy on the inside. Now when you're backlit at night, you can still see movement and see things moving, but it gives you a lot more privacy inside your coach as well, plus the look. This one has the outside entertainment center. That is an option on the coach. You can have it or not have it. It's up to you. We also put the outside second awning on it, which is really nice to have to give you more awning space when you're sitting outside. And then this is also one of the early ones, first ones, that we did the vanity slide in a gold. We do vanity slides in toy haulers. We do vanity slides in elites. This is the first one we did in a gold. So we're going to go inside now so you can see the inside of the coach. One of the other things I want to point out, and I always touch on, is that when you are ordering any Luxe product, you are getting the same quality build on everything that we build. So we have the same 8K axles are up, the same 3-inch thick walls, the same quality paint, the same radius metal along the roof. Everything about the build, the double floor construction, the way it's insulated, everything about the build, no matter what you're purchasing, is going to be the same quality. And so it doesn't matter if you purchase the 33 Elegante or if you go to our newest flagship, the Regent, you're getting the same quality build. So let's go inside and look at this one. So we're inside the 38 GFB. And one of the things that I told you about was that we went to, you have the ability to go to, I should say, what we call the Elegante slides, or the elites. They are taller. So in the standard golds, you normally would have a slide that's about 6.5 feet tall, and then it would have 2 rows of attic storage going down the tops of the slides for extra interior storage. And we can still do that, but we had some people that wanted this particular floor plan. They wanted a shorter coach. They wanted double axles instead of triple. They wanted a lighter pin weight, but they still wanted that feel of an elite. So by doing these slides, you get the big open feeling of an elite. And some of the things in this one that are optional are we have added the pendant lights. That's not standard, but you can add them. The Elegante slide means that there are no interior cabinets here. It is big windows, tall slides, very open feeling. So it gives you a whole different feel to the coach. Also, this one has the upgrade of the soft touch walls. Normally it would be a hard side wall, but you can upgrade it to the soft touch. This particular one also has the new hidden storage that you saw for the first time in the Elegante a little over a year ago. So what this client did was they split the pantry, which means we made this, then we pushed this top cabinet back, made it a big wide cabinet. So you have great storage beside the microwave. You have extra countertop here so that you can set things off of the stove. They did the 24-inch new GE stove. They also did the new GE convection microwave with the air fryer that you can upgrade to an air fryer if you'd like it. The nicest thing about this also is when you go to a bigger door down here, now we have wide drawers that will hold a lot of different things, and so this is very functional, much better use of the space, and this is called the split pantry. So for those of you calling in that might be interested, talk to your rep about the new split pantry. I told you about the hidden storage. So this is the new entertainment center hidden storage that you can get, and to give you more storage, so now you have floor to ceiling, built-in shelves. You can sometimes reconfigure this if we need to for special items, but you have 10-inch deep shelves out back there from floor to ceiling, and this is all built in so that it keeps everything very secure so it can't fall forward and damage anything or damage the television. So this is the new hidden storage that we have with the lights inside. So this is an upgraded option also that you can get, or you can get the standard entertainment center or the Televator entertainment center. So that's some of the primary things. They also have the Luxe style version of the Lambrite furniture. So that's also a very popular upgrade in our coaches. When you get the Lambrite furniture, you're getting the highest grade foam, you're getting the highest grade fabric. The rub test is extremely high. You're not going to get peeling of the color or peeling of the vinyl. Gives you extra storage down here between the theater seat. You can make this a small sofa like this, or you can put it down and have it be 2 theater seats. These are normally manual. You can get them in power too if you want. So another thing to talk to your rep about. This particular floor plan has another pantry here along with all the storage that we have. So you have a shallow storage here for like box goods, canned goods, anything that you want to put in here. Extra storage, another cabinet up here, and this one is a bath and a half. So this is your half bath. And like I said, they have the soft touch walls. They did not upgrade to the ASA panels, so it still has the in-command center, which is right up here that runs everything. Also downloads to your phone, so you can run it from your phone to dim lights and all of that. And then at every other location, they kept the toggle switches, which for a lot of people, simpler, easier. So they have toggle switches instead of the ASA panel upgrade. This particular part of the coach is a part that we actually took and used in the 46 RKB. Everybody loved the bedroom bathroom of that coach, and it's because of this coach. This is one of our original floor plans that has the slide that goes from the bed all the way through the bathroom. So because of that, you get a larger nightstand. You still have a king bed. This one, like I said, has the vanity slide. A new thing on a Gold, and they have to be approved. So not every floor plan in a Gold can do a vanity slide. Then you walk into the bathroom, and you have a double vanity. So this has been extremely popular with people to have 2 sinks, double vanity, a lot of mirrored storage, storage under each sink, drawers in the center. Now some people have put 1 sink in the center, had countertop on each side with drawer storage. Some people have done 1 large vanity, put a linen closet here. So there's a lot of different things here you can do as well. But when you come in here, you'll see because that slide is in the bathroom, now we have a lot of storage area. And we have our washer dryer in a location that makes a lot of sense. It's a location where you can easily get to it. Your clothes are all up here. Your closet is in the front. This one has the residential shower in it, with the paneled walls and the teak seat. And then you have your full walk-in closet. And they added the dressers. These dressers and the shoebox are upgrades in a gold, but you can do them. And as I said, this one has the new hickory wood in it, which is an upgrade on coaches, but it's just a gorgeous natural wood with natural grain. I just wanted you to take a new look at the 38 GFB with the new length slides in them, the new heights on them, and just see that we are always refreshing even our oldest floor plans. So this is one of our most popular. If you have any questions, please call in to Luxe and ask for one of the reps, and we'll be glad to walk you through it.